Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file and making a safety duplicate of the image layer so edits stay non-destructive. Once done, add a solid color fill layer and pick the filter hue. This gives you a uniform tint. Make sure to change that fill layer's blend mode to color so the photo's luminance and detail remain intact. Finally, lower the layer opacity until the tint feels natural. You're controlling strength instead of destroying tone. Now you refine. Experiment with color first because it preserves light and detail, then try overlay or soft light for stronger contrast. Once done, add a layer mask to the fill and paint with black or gray to remove or soften the effect locally. This lets you target skin, skies, or highlights. Make sure to use soft brushes at low opacity for subtle transitions. You can nest the fill in a group and add a curves adjustment to tweak contrast while keeping the tint. To finish, dial the fill layer opacity and use blend if sliders to preserve extreme highlights or deep shadows for a realistic result. Once done, check for banding. If you see posterization, convert the document to 16-bit or add very low noise to smooth gradients. Make sure to save a layered PSD so you can adjust later, then export in sRGB for web. If colors look flat, switch blend mode or reselect a slightly different.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.